RKT stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Rocket Company stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Generally looking at a rocket, is rocketing up, which I love, because it all began right here in this video when I made now at 18 bucks. At the time I was sitting at 11, right? And then I was aiming for 16. That was a beautiful delivery 2 months ago. And okay, this is so good, but I freaking missed it. Because it gapped up. But bias wise it was correct. So what I'll do, we just get rid of this. And we're here. Generally, man, I just hope I see the price pull down and give me a double break in order for me to buy. So if I do not see that happening, there's just no way that I will look to buy. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules to be met. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.